Hello guys and welcome back to another video of 3D Magic. In this video we're going to show you and teach you a car magic trick that fooled Winston Churchill when he saw it for the first time. It was that great that he didn't know what should he say at that time. And yeah, let's start the video and here's the performance. I hope that you can fool anyone that you want. So we start to shuffle the cards as many as you want or the spectator want. Okay. So yeah, now we tell the spectators that we want to choose 4 cards. 2 of them should be black and the other ones should be red. So right now we won't show it we won't choose that card in the camera. So yeah, we'll just put our hand right here and be sure that nothing happens, nothing. We don't touch anything except those 4 cards. So yeah, we should not show it, of course, to the spectator too. And be sure that, as we said, be sure that we don't touch anything. So yeah, let us choose that 4 cards. Okay, so right now let me clear this. Okay, now look. Oh, well, it's okay. That was random. It was real random. It could be any card. So yeah, it was 2 king and 2 red cards, a 4 and a ace. So yeah, right now you told the spectator, please tell me, I want to choose 2 cards. One of them should be red and the other one should be black. They say king of clubs and the ace of diamonds. They will choose these 2 cards and they put it on this one or on this one. We assume they say on this one. Put our stuff on it and it should be face up till the end of the video and till the end of the performance actually, and we don't touch it. So like this. Right now, well, we tell them that we need this 2 card right now. Do you want the red one be in the right side or be in the this position? They tell us we want this position, so it's not important. Now we need this deck. Tell them that for the what do they call it? So for the this card, where do you want to be? On the black side or on the red side? Please just tell me black, red, red, black, and I will put the cards. So for the first card, they will tell us black. Let me show it. Sorry, I just should see it. You should not see it. I can show it too. It's black, the first one. We told the secretary, good job. You did the first one correct. And then again, they tell us red, red, black, 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 red. So now we got to these 2 cards. So right now again, tell them this time the red the red card should be right here. That the main card was black, and this black card should be here. That for the first time the main card was red. Again, red, black, 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 red, 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 black, black, red. Okay, red, black, red, black. Right now, tell them that. Let me show you what was the color of the main card. They say red. Show them all of the cards are red. Okay, tell that what was the main card. For the first time they will tell us black. We'll grab these cards and they're all black. Let me put these cards face up. I think that would be better like this. Clean it. Again, this one too. Like this. Right now, one dispel too. Tell them, look, all the cards are black. And this was the main card that it was, face up. Here, it got face down because all the cards get face up. And, look, these cards, this was the main card, and all of them, they are red. So how? It was great, right? So sorry for our speaking in our performance. We're so sorry. So yeah, let's see the tutorial. We don't cut the video, so yeah, we just do it very fast. So for the setup, we need one side should be, all of them should be black, and one side all of them should be red. Let me tell you that this is better. We should divide the cards into red and black. So yeah, and now we do a fake shuffle. Fake shuffle, I like this. We grab, we think that of course, the 10 first card or the 15 first card are black or it could be a red. So we choose, the top cards, and then when we got to the middle, we choose just one by one. We go one by one. We grab the cards one by one, and then when we got to the last cards, I mean bottom cards, then we relate 10 cards together like this. So now, if we see again, show you all of the cards right now. They are black and they are red. So yeah, now what we do what do you call it? We choose 4 cards. The 4 cards, they are not random. We choose the border cards. I mean the cards that divided into red and black. These two and these two. And after that, we just like this. As you saw in the performance, we told the spectator, let me do it quick. So we assume they will choose these 2 cards, and we can put it in both sides. So sorry, it should be face up. They can put it in the both sides and like this. And now they can choose the red or the black should be which side, left or right. So again, we should look at the first card that you put. Okay, if they choose it, it was red and they put it in the black side, then we tell them, oh, you made a mistake, try for the next times, and that things. So yeah, and it's not important that which card. The other ones, they are not important. You should just remember if the black one was in the right side and if it was not. Well, this should be, yeah, and this should be here right now. So again, this. So yeah, this was a trick, and we hope that you like it and you enjoy it. And this is the final note. You just look. This was here was the cards was wrong, because as the spectator put the first card, like it was wrong. Here in this side they are all like correct. And yeah, show them that. And this pile, we should do this from this card, grab it and we rotate it just like that. And yeah, now the trick is done, and yeah, hope that you like it and you enjoy it. So please like and share and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next videos. Have a nice day.